Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I trust you guys are doing very good. My name is Geraldine Isuzi and this channel is all about natural skincare and lifestyle. Today I'll be taking us on how to make a whitening black soap. So let's get right onto it. But before we do that, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you do well to click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so you always be the first to know once I have a new content. It is worth it if you do that so you don't miss any of my awesome content. So let's get right into making the whitening black soap. So here is 250-gram black soap. So I'll be slicing it into tiny bits so it can melt easily and the ingredients get into it fast enough. If you don't make use of hand gloves when working, ensure to wash your hands before you start working. My hands have been washed properly. I'm not very comfortable using a glove. Especially since the ingredients are not harmful. Yeah, there you are. I'm done. I added about 30 ml of hot water to help in softening of the soap. So I'll just pound a bit before I continue. So I'm done mixing in the hot water. Here is half tablespoon of shea butter. I add it to the soap mix. And here are my powders. I mixed everything together because of time. I already did the measuring and added it all together. So in here I have 1 tablespoon of camwood. Camwood powder is very good for clearing blemishes. It's awesome. Helps you take care of blemishes on your skin. I also have 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder is good for removal of dark spots, and it also helps to lighten the skin as well. I have 2 tablespoons of rice powder. Rice powder helps to whiten or lighten the skin, and it takes care of different blemishes as well. I have 1 tablespoon of neem powder in here. Neem powder is antibacterial and takes care of different skin infections. So if you have different skin conditions and you want to clear it, neem powder is very good, and it also has slight lightening properties. Then in here I have 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. You can either make use of powdered milk or you use goat milk. As we all know, milk has lightening properties and also help to take care of blemishes on the skin as well. And it also has exfoliating properties because of the lactic acid present in it. I have 2 teaspoons of licorice powder. That's the brown licorice powder. It's good for taking care of blemishes and it has lightening properties as well. There is 1 teaspoon of sulfur powder. Sulfur powder is good for skin infections. It also prevents skin reactions to protect the skin from reacting to whatever isn't right in any skincare product. So I'm going to be adding the powders into the mix. And I also add 15 ml of rose water. Rose water is very good for the skin, has moisturizing properties, and also takes care of blemishes. So 1 tablespoon of rose water. Rose water. Then we go into oils. I'll be adding 15 ml or 1 tablespoon of turmeric oil. Also add 15 ml of neem oil. Then half tablespoon of lavender oil. Half tablespoon of half caste oil. Ensure you don't add too much of that. Half tablespoon of whitening oil as well. And then lemon juice, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Lemon juice is good as a preservative, and it also has lightening properties. It fades blemishes as well. Then Germal Plus has an added preservative, about 0.6 ml. Just eyeballing it. One teaspoon of glycerin to improve hydration or moisturization of the soap, so it won't strip off all the oils on the skin. So all the ingredients are in now. I'll go ahead to start pounding. So the soap is all ready. This is the way it looks. So I'm going to pack it now. And here's the soup. So we are all done. This is the soap. It will help to clear every form of blemishes. It will lighten up your skin. As I called it, a whitening black soap, especially because of the presence of those organic lightening powders, and also the whitening oil and the half caste oil. Ensure not to make your oils too much so it doesn't stop your soap from foaming, because when the oils get too much, it prevents your soap from foaming. So here we are. You can use to brighten your complexion, like a shade or two lighter than your normal complexion. I'm sure you got value. Do not hesitate to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell as well, so you always get to know once I have new content. For those struggling with acne, you've tried everything, you've lost your self-esteem, you cannot even go out without wearing makeup, all because of the dark spots left by acne, I have a book I put together, the Acne Handbook. This book demystifies acne by breaking it down into the myths and the truths, the causes, what predisposes your skin to breaking out in acne, how your skin fares in different weather and climates, affirmations you can use to help develop your mindset, because if your mindset can be free from having skin blemishes, then in the physical you can actually be free. And the steps to take to go from an acne ridden skin to a flawless complexion. To order your own copy of the Acne Handbook, click on any of the links in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell as well. Give this video a thumbs up, so you always subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell as well, so you always be the first to know once I have new content. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.